Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the First Aid Beauty Hydrating Sunscreen Milk. This product retails for $36. This is an SPF 45 chemical-based formulation from First Aid Beauty. From what I can tell, designed for sensitive skin. First off, I just want to say First Aid Beauty did send me this product. They did not ask me to do a full review of it. That is my own personal choice, and that will not impact my review of this product like always. Few issues that I'm noticing with this product right off the bat. I mean, $36 is kind of a steep price point for a sunscreen in my opinion. I've tried some before that I have liked for that price point, but it is still, I mean, no denying it is a higher price point. I also don't like the term non-comedogenic, which is used on this product. Just not the biggest fan of that. From someone who is acne prone, I've tried out so many products that claim to be non-comedogenic and have broken me out. That implies that it's gonna work for everyone's acne prone skin, which is just not foolproof. I did also check, and there are a couple of ingredients that I am personally worried about as someone with acne. I've struggled with soybean in certain formulations, specifically when they are higher on the ingredient list, and that is the case with this product. So I'm going to be going into this with an open mind. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. This is an American chemical-based sunscreen. I've left all of the ingredients in the description and also a link to their website to learn more about this product. Big things I'm going to be looking for include what finish does it leave? Does it break me out? How does this product feel and wear on the skin? As for anything else, I'll be continuing to check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here in natural lighting to give you a quick check-in and also my first impression with this formula. I'm excited because this is a new formulation from First Aid Beauty. They have released some shade drop style products. I always say that when I'm referring to like milky mineral sunscreens, but this one is a chemical formula. SPF 45. Really wish they could have got that SPF 50 level concentration, but that's okay. Very light milk is the perfect way to describe the texture. And now it is an all white sunscreen, so just be aware of that. It's not something that I think I'm gonna have too much of an issue with. I would definitely want to see this on creators with different skin tones to see how it would perform, because I mean, my wrist is basically the color of that sunscreen. Definitely not the best person to speak on that, but I am gonna take out a 1/4 teaspoon of this product. Very liquidy, very watery and runny sunscreen. This is supposed to be a soothing sunscreen. When I see products like this, I wish they were water resistant, because just like milky sunscreens and more lightweight formulas, I love when brands are able, and it's definitely a task. I love when they're able to make them water resistant, because this is, feel-wise, the type of sunscreen I would see myself using in the summer. And it's like, what do you think of when you think of summer? You think of sweating, you think of exercising outside, beach, like many different activities that require a water-resistant sunscreen. And that's what I really wish they would have brought this with this formula. Because something I haven't seen a lot on the market is the ingredients in this sunscreen in a sunscreen formulation, but also lightweight and water-resistant. Because I can't lie, heaviness-wise, like how it feels, how it is performing on the skin, it feels like it should be water resistant. It's a little bit thicker. It's a little bit like leaves more of a dewy finish. Like, look at that. It is definitely something I feel like would be better to use as a sole moisturizer. I would say really dry skin, maybe not, but oily skin, I don't know that this sunscreen is gonna be for you. It may be something that oily skin could just use solely, but it's feeling very greasy. It's feeling a little heavy, hoping that will calm down. The lightweight milky texture transforms into this heavier, more greasy, heavy finish on the skin. And it does feel like it should be a water resistant sunscreen. So I wish it was, but that's its own conversation. The price point of this product as well, we will see if I feel like it's worth that, but at the moment, it's feeling a little bit heavy. I'm gonna see how it wears, and also if it breaks me out, and continue using it, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this sunscreen. As much as I did enjoy the finish of it, I didn't like the price point, and also this sunscreen did break me out, which is further proof that when a product claims it's non-comedogenic, that is really not telling you anything. I experienced little bumps coming up around my cheek area, around my forehead. I was struggling really bad with that when using this product for about 3 days, and so I could pinpoint that it was this product. I'm also aware that I have a slight sensitivity to soybean when it is higher up on the ingredient list, so I did find that this product just didn't work for me. Additionally though, before I was experiencing breakouts, the price point was not something too appealing to me with this product. It is just an American chemical-based sunscreen. It is okay. It's nothing really stand out to me. Sure, it's designed for sensitive skin. I feel like with this product though, that's kind of just a label, because it performed very similar to other American chemical-based sunscreens I've used. I do struggle with sensitivity, and I always go for skincare that is designed for sensitive skin. But with that, I found that the Bioma SPF 50 that they just released, their ultra light sunscreen, performed better than this product. I enjoyed that product so much more. Had a lightweight finish, feels like a Korean sunscreen with an American formulation attached to it, and didn't break me out, didn't cause acne. That is the ultimate comparison I would recommend to this. Additionally, for the price point, I wish they would have made it water resistant or done something a little bit different than just market this for non-comedogenic and also sensitive skin, because it was just kind of lackluster to me. It didn't really do much for my skin except break me out, and so the claims of this product just didn't prove to be true with me. Everyone's acne is different though, so that is going to be a different experience. However, where I would invest my money with a product like this is in the Bioma. I mean, when you're investing in a sunscreen, when you're buying something that you're gonna have to reapply so much and you're expected to reapply it throughout the day, you don't want to spend this much on a product like that when you're gonna go through it the same amount as the Bioma, where it's just so much more budget friendly. So I would go for that. I mean, there are so many options on the market for American chemical-based sunscreens. That is, in my opinion, the closest comparison. That is what I would ultimately recommend. You are also getting a little bit more of a concentration of sunscreen, SPF 50. I mean, this is still a good concentration, but I mean, more is always better with sunscreen. So that's what I would ultimately recommend going for over this. Just wasn't really impressed, wasn't blown away, and definitely not something I'm going to repurchase because I experienced acne. But before that, I still wouldn't repurchase it because it just didn't stand out to me very much. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.